So you might want to get the last name in a cell or the last word in a cell. No matter what we usually do and what I've usually said in the past is use some kind of index around split. Now, I'm going to show you a different way because if we split this, if we have a full name, like a first and last name, it works fine. We just look for the second. But when we have a middle name or any number of middle names or any number of words, and we just want to get the rightmost word, then I'm going to show you a different way. So we will use split. We're going to split this by the spaces. And when the delimitator is a two quotes with a space. That's it. We're going to say yes, split by each. And it's going to give us a reference error if we have something in this C2. We can insert a few columns, and we can see that this split is just sort of taking each word and putting it separately. So how do we make sure we're only going to get the rightmost word? And I'll show you right now. We're going to wrap this with Choosecols. So Choosecols means choose the column. So here's the whole array, and we've split it up into different columns. Now, how do we get the rightmost one? We can put a number here. 1, that's the first one. Put a 2, that's the second one. Put a 3, but how do we know how many there are? Well, we can just do -1, and it's going to start from the right side and count the first one. Now, if we did -2, it'll be the second from the right. But -1 is going to get us the rightmost word in the cell. There you go. And we can copy and paste that all the way down. We're going to get the exact last name no matter how many words or how many names are in that cell. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.